So before I dive into this, I want to point out that this weight rack that cost me over $2,000 maxes out at 70 pounds, and it doesn't have every weight. The Vitruvian maxes out at 440 pounds of magnetic resistance. Hey, what's up guys? David Moss Jr. here, and I've been noticing so many professional athletes and top CrossFitters are starting to ditch the traditional weights and opt in for the digital weights, and I'm curious as to why. So behind me, I have the brand new Vitruvian Trainer Plus, and the goal of this video is to dive deep into this and see, is this something that's worth including in our daily training? Can digital weights really replace our entire garage gym, and is it worth the hype? So let's jump right in. The first thing I want to talk about is the actual Vitruvian platform itself. Now this platform is 80 pounds and it has an aluminum frame with a carbon fiber shell. This thing looks beautiful and it's extremely durable, which is one of the things I really like with having 4 kids and they like to use all my equipment. I wanted to make sure this was something durable. Now when you first look at this, because this is the Trainer Plus and I got the standard kit, there are 2 additional kits that come with amazing accessories that I did not get, but after using this for about a month, I'm considering making those orders because they do come with things like a bench, a bar, and multiple other attachments, so you can really dive into an amazing workout. But as far as the platform goes, it is 80 pounds and it is extremely mobile. You can actually pick it up from one side with a handle and you can roll it on the wheels that are on the opposite side to get it into place exactly where you want it. But what's cool about this, and they actually encourage it, is taking this on the road with you. So if you are a traveler, you can actually take this with you and you can travel with it. Yes, it's 80 pounds, but to take an entire home gym with you is actually a pretty cool feature that you can't do with a lot of its competitors, such as the Tonal and the other ones that you have to actually have in your house, taking up a lot of space. And speaking of space, that's one of the things I really like about the Vitruvian, is that it only takes up a small square foot. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and measure this thing. So let's go ahead and measure the platform where you can actually stand. Now there's a space for a mat to go in here, and it's 39 inches wide by 19 inches long. And that's just the inside where the mat could go and really where it's meant for you to stand. The entire dimensions are 21 inches wide and 46 inches long. It's also just over 4 inches off the ground. And one of the things I was also curious about is the width between the 2 points, which is 35 inches. Let's quickly talk about pricing. Now the pricing for the Trainer Plus, the way you see here, is $29.90 at time of recording this video, and you get the 2 power handles, which are great. You get 2 ankle straps for doing lower body workouts, and you get this little connector so that you can actually connect both of these handles to do dual bicep curls or a few different workouts like that, or also connect both ankle straps if that's something that you want to do as well. There are, like I said, over 300 different workout programs and over 200 individual workouts that you can do on your time and when you're ready with the Vitruvian app. And with that purchase, you do get a 3-month all-access membership. For this part, I am gonna go ahead and grab my kid's iPad and I'm gonna go into the Vitruvian app and show you how the app works and how the app looks. So as soon as you log in, it's gonna show you your activity. The cool thing too is you can put this on your phone, your iPad. There's a lot of different ways, and you can even stream it to a TV if you have Apple TV and you wanna do that. A couple neat things that you can do from the app is obviously keep track of all of your benchmarks, keep track of all of your stats and your data, which is awesome. It's all right there. But the first thing you're gonna wanna do as soon as you are ready to do your workout is you're going to go to this menu button, you're going to go to your trainer, and then you're going to connect to your Vitruvian. It's really important for you to do this because it's also going to give you an opportunity to update the firmware if a firmware needs to be updated. It's also a really cool opportunity for you to go ahead and change your colors. You have multiple color options that you can choose from. You can choose from red, which is going to give you a red glow underneath your system, blue, orange, neon blue, like a brighter blue, green, or even pink. Or you can just turn it off if you don't want the light. One of the cool things about the light too is when you're in the middle of a workout, if it's getting a little heavy, it'll actually flash the lights different colors to almost give you encouragement that you're doing a good job, or that you're close, or that you have gone beyond your range of motion for that particular workout. So using the lights are pretty important, but for this workout, I think I'm gonna choose blue. I think blue's got a good look to it. You can hit remember machine and that will automatically connect you if that's something you wanna do. But right now we're gonna go back to activity and we'll play around in here for a second. Today, we're gonna play around with a few of the different programs that they have. They have coaching, which you can go through, and it's gonna take you through all sorts of different workout programs that they have for you. Advanced muscle growth, and once again, there's over 300 different classes you can choose from, and they're constantly adding more and more, which is super cool. Based off your goals, you can choose a different class and jump right on in there. There are also different programs if you need some more accountability and you want to make sure that you're staying strict with a program. There's a ton of different programs and they're constantly adding more and more in here, which is great. But let's say you just want to actually work out. You can go into the workout here and you can choose from over 200 different standard workouts that you would normally do in a gym. Pretty much everything you could possibly think of. Let's say you want to just do calf raise here. What you're going to do first is you're going to go ahead and hit the play button, and then you're going to do 3 reps. Those 3 reps are going to calibrate your range of motion for that exact workout. So it knows exactly where it needs to give you the resistance so that you can maximize your workout. So it's really cool to be able to choose from all these different workouts and just get a full body workout from this system. But another thing I really think is cool, and we'll just play around with it here, is down here at the bottom, it says pump. You can actually go in here to mode, and you can change it from pump, which is gonna give you full resistance the entire time. You can choose time under tension, old school, which is gonna allow you to almost feel like you're lifting weights traditionally, and then eccentric only, so that you can feel that resistance only on the way down, so that you can really target the eccentric part of the workout, which is really cool that you have the options to change the modes and give yourself the exact workout that you're looking for. So we're just gonna click on pump and keep it there. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose my mode as pump. I like that. We're gonna stick with pump, and we're gonna go ahead and press play. The first thing you're gonna do is it's gonna say to do 3 curls. So you grab your handles, there's no resistance currently, and I'm just gonna give myself 1, 2. So it knows my range of motion. Now it's gonna add resistance. And the faster I can lift this weight up, the more resistance it's gonna add. And right now my rep scheme is 10 reps. So the goal is to get through 10 reps, full range of motion. And it's currently at 33 pounds of resistance. And now there's no resistance on this at all. And that's where you'll set it down. So that's a traditional set of doing bicep curls on the Vitruvian. And once again, you can do all sorts of different workouts with this. The ankle straps allow you to do kickbacks. The handles allow you to do single arm curls or any type of workout, such as a squat or a deadlift. And a lot of the workouts that you do, you'll realize when you're going through the programs that you're not always on the machine standing center. You might be off to the side. You might be actually off the machine completely. But one of the things that I've noticed is they utilize the machine as much as they can, but they also want to make sure your stimulus of your workout is exactly what you need to meet your goals and to get the results that you're looking for in the workout in the first place. So now my app has told me you're done. Great workout. It's going to give you my total weight in pounds, total energy expenditure, the duration of that workout, and I can share those stats, or I can just hit done and start all over. And once again, that is just one workout. That's not an actual workout program. When you go through a workout program through the app, which I really like, is it actually takes you through multiple movements, multiple times, and there's so many different varieties, so you'll never get bored with the Vitruvian app and the Vitruvian workouts, which is always something that I'm fearful of, especially when you're spending a good amount of money on a piece of workout equipment, is how many times am I actually gonna use this? And will I get bored with it? So I can say after using the Vitruvian for about a month that I haven't got bored with it yet, and neither has my wife. It's been really fun, and it's been a great way to add variety into our workout program right here in the garage. Now let's talk about their quick connect system. So this is how each one of their handles is going to connect to the rope inside the system in the first place. And taking the handles off is as simple as pushing down on a little black piece and pulling up. So the handle is detached. Now let's say I want to switch to the ankle strap. All I'm going to do is put the little peg right there in the round hole, and I'm just going to push it in, and now it's in there, locked in place. Same thing, push down that little black piece, pull it off. Very easy to change out all of the things that you're using, all the different accessories that you're using in the middle of a workout, or anytime you decide you want to just make that change. Well, now I'm going to demo a few of the different workouts you can do with the Vitruvian Trainer Plus without all of the accessories. So the first one we're going to do is the shoulder press. So first 3 reps you're going to do is going to be testing the distance you can go, and as you can see, it's going to give you all the room you need. The bent over row. And when you go below, it's gonna flash red at you and basically indicate that, hey, something's wrong. And then at that point, you can either pause your workout, start it over, or continue by picking up your handles and continue your workout. You can do bench press, and bench press is one of the workouts where if you don't have the bench, you can literally just get into almost a bridge position and just do your bench press just like you would do if you were laying on the ground or laying on a bench. And you're getting resistance the entire time. There's no momentum on this mode. Suitcase squats. So it's gonna change the resistance as it feels it needs to and apply more resistance and force during your workout. Like right now, it feels that I'm going a little bit too fast. So it's pumping up the resistance right now. Whew, it's so funny. Like, I didn't do a full workout, but just in demoing this, because you can't just grab 5 pounds. Like, if you're doing a quick demo of how to do a movement, it's gonna give you that resistance that it knows you can handle. So just in those demos, like, I got an actual pump going on here, which is funny. But that's the power of the Vitruvian. Like, you don't have the choice to baby your workout. Like, it's going to feel if you can't do the weight and it's gonna back off. But that's one of the things that I really like about it, is that when I come in here, I power this thing on and I select a workout, I know that I'm gonna get a good workout. I'm not gonna be able to just baby my workout like I could do if I just went to the gym. And I think that's the #1 selling point for Vitruvian, is that the accountability. It's gonna hold you accountable to what your body can actually do. And I think that's one of the reasons that so many people are starting to include digital weight training into their normal workout programs. So I want to ask you at this point, do you think Vitruvian is something you would consider? And if it is, I want to encourage you to pop down in the description of this video and use the link to order yourself one today. Vitruvian is also offering my friends an exclusive discount if you use discount code MAUS, that's MAUS, when you purchase your Vitruvian Trainer Plus today. And I think you'll be excited. This thing is pretty impressive. And hey, if you had a question that I did not answer, just pop that down in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, guys, and God bless. Hey guys, before you go, if you like this video and you're interested in what this thing is behind me, this white tub, this is actually called the PLUNGE XL, and it's a cold plunge that can get to temperatures as low as 39 degrees. Now, PLUNGE is an amazing company that I actually got the chance to visit their factory and see exactly how these are made. So I'm gonna put the link to that video right here, and you might wanna check it out because it's pretty incredible.